As of right now, the last time we looked at the ground temperatures, it was at the 30-degree mark. If you can see in my hand right now, this is what I picked up off the road. It's looking more like a sludge, so it's not strong accumulations, but it is turning into that sludge. And as the temperatures continue to plummet throughout the rest of the night, we could be seeing those roads beginning to get even more icy. So it is turning into a situation where we really do need to be careful on those roadways. We do see a couple cars going by quite fast. So people really should be slowing down and taking their time, especially right now as this snow is coming down quite hard.
That's our meteorologist Stormy Meyer there in New Albany.